Welcome to Tiny Tales. Ever thought about how absurdly perfect the universe is? Not just cool or functional, but so precisely tuned. It's almost unsettling. The speed of light, the strength of gravity, the mass of an electron, everything is locked into exact values. So exact, in fact, that if any one of them were even slightly different, we wouldn't be here to notice. Which raises the question, is this really just coincidence, or is there something more? Let's start with physics. It's logical, it's objective, and it's written in the language of mathematics. Precise, unforgiving, and somehow perfect. Eugene Wigner, a Nobel-winning physicist, once asked, "Why is mathematics so unreasonably effective when applied to the physical world?" He called it a miraculous gift we neither earned nor fully understand. Think about it. Math is something we invented, yet it fits the universe like a key fits a lock. We don't know why, but it does. Think about GPS. Your phone calculates your position using satellites and Einstein's relativity equations. Math from over 100 years ago that still works flawlessly today. The universe is ancient. It's huge. We're talking nearly 14 billion years of expansion. But here's the kicker. The laws of nature, they don't seem to care where or when you are. Gravity behaves the same way now as it did billions of years ago. Light travels at the same speed, whether here or halfway across the universe. There's consistency, a kind of cosmic rulebook that never changes, and that feels intentional. Scientists have looked at light from far-off galaxies, like superfar, and it behaves just like the light we test here on Earth. It's like the universe is running on the same rules everywhere, all the time. Now things get personal. There are fundamental constants in nature. The mass of an electron, the strength of nuclear forces, the speed of light. They're not determined by the laws of nature. They just are. And yet, if even one of them were slightly off, life would be impossible. Not just life like us, any kind of complexity at all. Some of these constants require tuning to 1 in a billion just for stars to form. This is what scientists call the anthropic principle. The universe seems just right for life, because life exists to observe it. But is that really an explanation, or is it just avoiding the obvious? Imagine tweaking just one number, like the strength of gravity, even a tiny bit, and boom, no stars, no atoms, no life. Some scientists say it's like the universe was set up just right, almost like it was calibrated for us. Here's something even weirder. We exist. We think. We calculate. We ask why. But why should that be possible? If life is purely the result of random processes, why would our brains evolve to understand quantum mechanics? Why do we even care about the structure of the universe? Einstein once asked, how can it be that mathematics, a product of human thought that is independent of experience, fits reality so well? Then there's DNA. It's information, a biological code. But code doesn't just happen. Information suggests intelligence. And remember, our best physics tells us the universe had a beginning, a singularity, a point of infinite density, where space and time didn't even exist yet. That moment is beyond our understanding. And maybe that's not by accident. The universe had a starting point, a real beginning. And DNA? It's basically like nature's computer code, billions of letters long. Doesn't that feel deliberate? So, what if the universe was meant to be? Religious traditions, like the Bible, say, in the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Now sure, that's not science. It can't be tested or falsified. But that doesn't mean it's false. Not everything real can be repeated in a lab. Dreams, memories, love, even if we can't measure them, we know they're real. So maybe the same is true for the universe's purpose. Just because something can't be proven in a lab doesn't mean it's not real. We believe in things we feel and experience every day. Maybe the universe's origin is one of those things. The universe is too perfect, too balanced, too unlikely. Maybe we're just lucky. Maybe we're inside a simulation, or maybe it was all designed. But if that's true, then the real question isn't how the universe exists. It's why. That's it for today's episode. Thanks for hanging out. See you next time.